Welcome to in today's video. I'm going to share with you how you can earn money from your Facebook page. How you can earn money from your Facebook page. The best option if you want to earn from your Facebook page are the options that I'm going to be explaining below. If you want to make money right from your Facebook page, there are the best options which I'll be explaining in today's video. The first thing is in-stream ad. In-stream ad. These are the ad that comes up when you are on live video, you are streaming online, that comes up before your video or during your video or after your video. With this, you can make money. You can make money. Then the second is fan subscription. You have a lot of fans on your Facebook page. You want to convert them to money. You can allow your fan to subscribe if they want to be getting update from you, and they subscribe. Paid subscription. From that, you can be earning money. If people like you so much that they want to pay to be able to access your services, you can be able to earn from this as well on your Facebook page. Then number 3, collaborating with brands. There are people that have brands to sell. You can collaborate with brands and you sell their product right on your page, either by affiliate means or you share the product right on their page. You help them to sell their product. You can be able to earn from this as well. Then paid membership. Who wants to become a member of your page, a member of your group, paid membership group, you can ask them, you can make it a payment. If you want to put people that are really serious with your service, that are really serious with the service you render, you can decide to place them on a paid membership. If you want to do this, and through that you can be able to earn money from your Facebook page. Then number 5, sell services. You have ebooks you can sell. You have services. You are a graphic designer. You are a video editor. You are a makeup artist. You can decide to sell your service on your Facebook page by deciding to teach people your skills. You can decide to earn from that. Before we continue, please, if you have not subscribed to my page, please do so. Share this video so that you can be able to get more from me. Then affiliate marketing. You can decide to be an affiliate marketing, to do affiliate marketing for Jumia, for Konga, and earn from your Facebook subscriber. You can be able to earn from your Facebook page. But however, there are other things that are needed to be put in place. There are other requirements before you can earn from your Facebook page, which are like other requirements that are needed to be put in place before you can earn from your Facebook page is that you need to have at least 10,000 followers. You need at least 10,000 followers before you can earn from your Facebook page and monetize it. That has to do with monetization. But the remaining process, which we mention, doesn't need you to have at least 10,000 followers before you can start to earn money on your Facebook page. I'm going to share more details into this in my next video. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Share the video, like the video, and let me know what other things you want us to discuss in our next video. Atabo Friday Jr. is my name.